Welcome to Credit Repair Business Mastery. I'm so excited you've enrolled in this course and even more excited about the opportunity that's right in front of you. Whether you're here to create a side hustle, replace your job, or build a full-scale business, this course will show you exactly how to start and grow your own profitable credit repair business from scratch. In this course, you're going to learn how credit reports and credit scores really work, how to legally dispute negative items for your clients, how to register and set up your business the right way. Also, how to attract, close, and retain high-paying clients. In the end, you're going to learn how to automate and scale your business to $10,000 or more. You'll also get downloadable tools, dispute letter templates, pricing sheets, and real scripts that you can use immediately to grow your business. But this course isn't just about learning, it's about doing. So I encourage you to go module by module, complete the action steps, download the materials, and then most importantly, take action right away because that way you'll absorb everything you need to absorb. The credit repair industry is booming. There's no better time to start than right now. And don't forget, if you have any questions or want feedback, use the Q&A section here on Udemy. I'm active there and happy to help you. You're not doing this alone. Let's build something great together. Click on Module 1 to get started, and I'll see you inside.